So dear students, a very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You are
Good
muted.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Uh, hmm. Chalo, I'll see to it. Students, I could see some activity coming from the student side. So I'll call those students. Don't enter into any sort of settings, right? Am I clear? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Right. So I would like to speak to a few of the students, Anand Bhardwaj and Abhishek Abhinav Bansal. Are they here?
Yes, sir. Good morning. I'm Anand Bhardwaj.
Anand, what is your understanding about the word strategic,
The
or maybe
strategy
is
is basic.
yeah,
Strategy is
yeah, yeah.
basically tactics to know something.
Okay, Abhinav Bansal, what is your learning about leadership? Akshay Oberoi, Aman Garg, Aryaman.
Hello, hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, am I audible?
You are very much audible.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. You got my question?
No, sir, I was unable to hear you.
Yeah, so my question is, what is your understanding about leadership? How do you look at it? Anyone would like to say about leadership? Anshika, Archit, Ansharora, Akshita, Aryaman Chopra, Chirag Bansal, Chirag Gupta, Daksh Verma, Dev Motwani,
Hello.
Dhriti. Yes,
Good morning,
please.
sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
I'm Rushil Sharma.
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Yes.
So actually someone is muting everyone. So can
Good morning,
Sir, I
sir.
was just muted by someone.
yes sir, someone is muting.
Who is this?
Yes, sir, please.
I'm Khushi Malik.
Someone has removed me. Someone
Sir,
removed me from the meeting, so please take the controls in your hand.
So please change the controls for the meeting.
that's fine, but that those names will also come to me. Let me find out first of all who are those students. So that is also equally required. Purposely, I have not done because all these names will get reflected shortly on my accounts. Anyhow, so dear students, today we are going to continue with the session on strategic leadership. As you all know that, otherwise you must know that strategy, when we talk about strategy, dear students, strategy means course of action. So what course of action are we going to achieve in order to achieve the objectives? Similarly, when we talk about leadership, literally we are talking about how are we going to lead the team. So whenever we talk about leadership, there is a buzzword team which is being talked about, and it depends on a leader as to how to take forward the team. So herein you can see at the top of the slide that Lord Krishna is known to be a strategic leader, and the phrase which is mentioned over here: if you fail to achieve your goal, change the strategy, not the goal. If you fail to achieve your goal, you need to change the strategy, but you need not to change your goal. That is the crux of this particular session. And again, also, you might be having a fair idea about uh, this movie, Chak De India, wherein again he has played a strategic role in taking the team forward. This man, Kabir Khan, wanted to get a victory from the hockey match, though he could not get success in his personal life, but then he decided to get it done, that India should be a winner through the team of women's hockey team. And he was leading that team. And by virtue of his leadership, he made that, victory come to his, you know, uh, to his credit. So, my dear students, there are certain other strategic leaders whom we will be talking about. This is one more leadership style, which is leadership Munna Bhai way. And herein we need to understand that there was an eagerness to learn, willingness to learn. This gentleman was willing to fully devote himself to learn all that was necessary for achieving his goal. Though he had no prior knowledge or experience on the subject, but still that willingness, eagerness to learn was there in this gentleman. So, dear students, when it comes to the strategic leadership, we it reminds us of Lord Krishna, and this Lord Krishna means a person who is attracted to everyone. That is also one of the great quality of a leader. That how are you going to get connected? Also, one very important thing which is being taught from Lord Krishna is he is an actor and he involves himself without being involved. So the quality of a person to get gel with other people, that's the greatest quality of a leader, because you need to be in touch with people. You might have seen in the organization, in the companies, sometimes the boss, the leader goes to the people, he speaks to him, he talks to them, he wants to understand their concerns, and the team gets motivated. Oh, that's what our boss has come to us and is concerned about ourselves. So this is how the leadership has to be understood. He is a catalyst energizing others into action. So you also as a student, I'll tell you that what is your role within the classes as a leader and as a follower also. So I'll tell you both way round that how this leadership is involved when it comes to the how this leadership as well as the follower plays a key role. Either you need to be a good leader or follower, or you can be both. It depends. For example, let me take again the example of Arjun over here within the Mahabharata itself. So Arjun was playing the role of following Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna, who had that intellect to connect, who had that leading power was guiding. So you need to decide, students, that in what circumstances are you going to lead, and in what circumstances you are going to follow. So either you need to be a good follower or leader, or maybe both. But there has to be a role model whom you should follow. There has to be a mentor whom you should follow, so that you are on the right track. Also, my dear students, you all might have come across this Sanskrit shloka in some or the other way during your early childhood, and also during various epics coming up in the serials coming up. So you have a right to perform your prescribed duty, that is karmanne vadhi karaste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalhetu purmate samo sarv karmani. So you have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. Similarly, here also, dear students, you are here for learning, taking education, and the purpose over here for BBA program is to take the knowledge and apply it in your business, in your corporate. Never consider yourself the cause of the results of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duty. So that is what comes from the Lord Krishna. He is also said to be a management guru, and one very important things which comes from this is you need to share your learnings. This is what is being said about. So my dear students, in whatever science you enter into, whether you talk about uh, B.Ed programs or teaching or any program, so we always suggest as students, do share your learnings. And that's the reason, that's the buzzword in BBA. You all will be given presentation, you'll be sharing with your student. But while learning also, my dear students, you are expected to uh, teach your friends. So it is said, किसी को आप सिखाओगे तो आप खुद सीख जाओगे. This is what is the principle of learning. So you need to share. So true managers or leaders must share their learnings with others. You might have, and this is one of the greatest quality of a strategic leader also, because let me take the example of one of the company, Sony. The leader of that company of late in somewhere 90s, they were having good number of company subsidiaries. So they used to share their innovativeness of one company with rest of the subsidiaries, so that all of them are able to get the benefit of that innovativeness which has been done in one of the unit. So as the saying goes, knowledge grows when shared with others. जितना आप knowledge share करोगे, that it will grow like anything. So when applied is the best practice of all. Krishna, who was said to be a Sarvajnani, never hesitated to share his thoughts with others. So when Arjun was in a fix whether to fight his brothers or not, he reminded him of his purpose and taught him the methods to overcome his fear and doubts, thereby focusing on his duty. So my dear students, you also need to decide your mentor with whom you can discuss your personal and professional problems. He or she can be your father, your mother, your brother, anyone who can give you the right direction to take your journey forward. Also, dear students, we talk about stick to your goals, because you need to decide your goals. What is your purpose of being in BBA program? It could be, it cannot be just a degree. BBA program cannot be just a degree. The purpose of education has to be related to your life goals. And herein, we have got certain learnings over here. One is Paritrayama Sadhunam, which means welfare for good. So that is one goal which was there of Lord Krishna. Then Vinashaya Dushkritam, meaning destroy the evil. So you also, in order to be a good citizen, you need to have positive thoughts. And Dharma Sanstapana, meaning establish and strengthen the good principles. So dear students, you need to take up this call, you need to wake up and move on to the journey in an ethical way to take your journey forward. And strategic approach comes into play in the battle of war, in the battle when it is said that nothing is everything is fair in love and war, and that was the buzzword over here also. Strategically, I tell you one situation. Duryodhan used to follow his mama Shakuni. That was one role model of this. This was the one side of the picture. On the other side, Pandavas used to follow Lord Krishna. And you might be knowing that there was a situation when both of them approached Lord Krishna to participate in the war. And therein, Duryodhan, who was standing close to Lord Krishna, he thought that the moment I am very close to Lord Krishna, I will be given first opportunity to speak. On the other side, Arjun was standing towards the feet of Lord Krishna. So, uh, having said that, there was a conversation, and Lord Krishna said, "Okay, tell what you want." There are two things. One, you have the entire army of Maya, which will fight from your end, and second, on the other side, I am alone, and I will not take any sort of, you can say, I will not fight in the war. I will only have my presence, and I will not pick up any arms and all this kind of fighting, ammunitions and all this kind of during those times. There were different ways of having battle. So during that time, uh, Arjun said that Lord Krishna, we want your gracious presence. So that intellect is important to understand that what is the person all about. Whereas Duryodhan was, looking after the army of Lord Krishna. So that also was a strategic decision which was taken up by Arjun, that if Lord Krishna is with us, then there is every possibility that we will be given guidance and we will be able to handle the challenges, problems. Tactful communicator. And in this program also, dear students, we always teach our students that you need to have good communication skills, which plays a very, very important role in your life, in your career, in your business. So tactful communicator, Krishna, through his power of speech and oration skills, motivated Pandavas several times. He motivated them to serve good and only good, concurrently working towards attainment of justice. A true leader or manager always takes initiatives to motivate his colleagues and fellows. Dear students, it also reminds us of being to be grounded. And we also here will tell you in research, we'll talk about something more about the grounded theory when we do not know much about. And now let me take you forward to the Chakde, strategic leadership, which was taken up by this gentleman Kabir Khan. And now I would like to invite two of the students to mute themselves and tell me something about Chakde India quickly. Unmute themselves. Dhriti, Disha Jain, Gariba, you can unmute yourself. Are you here in the meeting? Dhriti? Yes. Garima? Disha Jain? Final call, otherwise I will have to remove the student from the meeting. Dhriti, are you here? I'm removing you from the meeting if you don't respond to the call. Disha?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So this is Garima Verma.
Yes. So Garima,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Why don't you respond?
Sir, I wasn't able to unmute myself that time. I was trying to
And now it's
unmute.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So question to you is, Garima, I suppose that you might have seen the movie Chak De India.
Yes, sir.
So what sort of strategic leadership do you find in this movie, Garima?
So it's a movie of inspiration. It's about motivating the team. So I found the strategy of motivating and pushing the team to the extent that they led to. I think it's a motivation story, and it's a kind of strategy that motivates and push the whole team to some extent of winning.
Okay, I could okay, that's fine. There are one or two students who are trying to play with the settings, and I am noting
Yes.
their names. I'm trying to download your attendance, but somehow it is not. Yes, Dhriti, you are here in the meeting, but you are not responding. Dhriti,
Good morning, sir. I'm Khushi Malik.
right? Yes. Dhriti has not responded. Who wanted to say something? There was.
So I'm Khushi.
Yes, Khushi, tell me. Yes.
I feel that in this movie, the best style of leadership has been portrayed. As in
Mm-hmm.
the beginning, he used the policy of negative motivation. Like
Mm-hmm.
I guess he suspended the players and he fired them who were not giving the desired behavior. But then towards the end, he comes towards motivating them in a positive way, and he tries to develop um, by acceptance for him.
Right. Also, I would like to mention here that's a great. So, congratulations, Khushi. You have very well answered. Also, in the beginning, you might have seen the kind of discussions which were there with the first player who was led by 5 minutes, and the version of the leader was that if you are late by 5 minutes, I cannot permit you. because rules are to be accepted. And if the team is not accepting the rules, there is no point. And he said, no, if you are a player, if you are the captain of the Chandigarh team, go and play with Chandigarh team. Rules are to be followed from day one, else you don't have any place in this particular team. So that was his, first way of handling the team. Second, very important thing which was there, he says, first play for the nation, India, then for the team, and then for yourself. It has a big meaning within itself, hidden meaning. That means, dear students, you have to come out of your ego. आपने गोल ज्यादा करने हैं, आपका स्कोर बढ़ रहा है, दैट्स फाइन, बट आप अपने लिए नहीं खेल रहे हो, आप देश के लिए खेल रहे हो, कंट्री के लिए खेल रहे हो. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द टीम स्पिरिट, गाइस. जब तक आप सब लोग एक दूसरे को कोऑर्डिनेट होकर के नहीं खेलोगे, यू कैन नॉट गेट द सक्सेस फॉर द कंट्री. सो दैट वाज द मैसेज विद इन इट. प्ले फॉर कंट्री, पहले देश के लिए खेलो, देन फॉर योर टीम, एंड देन फिर बच जाए कुछ भी तो अपने लिए. सो दैट शुड बी द प्रायोरिटी इन लाइफ if you want to go far from your, uh, far in your journey. So, my dear students, strategic leadership here talks about anticipation. That is, the leader should be able to anticipate, to see, to have a vision. For example, let us also talk about, you all are aware about uh, the journey of Titanic ship, and this captain of the ship could not take action on time by anticipating the iceberg which was there. So as the captain of the team, as the captain of the organization, you need to visualize that what is likely to happen, and accordingly decisions are to be taken. So vision, envision, maintain flexibility, and empower others to create a strategic change. Unless you empower your team, because people play very, very important role. आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में देखिए, द फर्स्ट फोर्थ मोस्ट कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज द टीम, द HR, the people over there, right? So those kind of things are to be given. People are to be empowered so that necessary decisions can be, necessary actions can be taken up by the people, and that's very, very important. So, dear students, multifunctional work that involves working through others. You might have seen these days that, we talk about Skill India, we talk about Digital India, and everywhere people are having they're multi-skilled. You talk about, how do you look at the IT skills? How do you look at the decision-making skills, communication skills, and marketing skills? All these are required in, day-to-day activities. So how do you look at the numbers, the research, how good you are in analyzing? Whenever the company comes, they would like to test you using logical, how your left and right brains, we talk about two things. So how your left brain is functioning, right side. So there has to be a proper balance between the emotional connect and logical thinking, and both of these are equally important these days in, serving the organization. So considering of the entire enterprise rather than a subunit is the buzzword, and that is the managerial frame of reference. Dear students, this is the effective strategic leadership. As you can see over here, I am calling few students once again to see whether how well you are connected over here. So I would like to call upon Paridhi Malhotra, Pranav, Sodhi, Prekshi, Prerna Dalal. Are you able to see this slide? Radhika, Raghav, you can unmute for a while. My God, whether the students are here or not, I doubt.
Yes,
Sahil, अभी
Yes,
तो
sir.
fifth
Yes,
day
sir.
है, and I don't see any enthusiasm within the students. Tanish, Tanmay Saxena, हाँ, तुषार, कोई enthusiasm ही नहीं है यार. अभी तो fifth day है, and you people are not interacting at all. Vedehi Garg, Vanshika, Tina, right?
So, good morning, sir. Vanshika here.
Yes, Vanshika. So you can see this slide over here. In effective strategic leadership, we are talking about strategic intent, which is again vision and mission. And we take the cues from the environment. Environment को understand करके Based on that vision or mission, we study, and accordingly, the strategies are formulated based on the resources which are available in the organization and based on the goals which we want to achieve. So,
Yeah.
formulation of strategies is required, implementation, and all this. So, in this movie, also, you might have seen that this gentleman, Kabir Khan, where the purpose was to have a common goal. Hockey stars from different Indian states meet at Delhi to form the India's World Cup women team. And the first challenge which this gentleman was having was storming. That is, there was a diversity in the people, individualism. When people are more individualistic, and in a game like hockey, we need more collectivistic approach and personal egos. So those are to be taken care by the leader as to how to resolve them. And there have been discussions wherein he was trying to resolve the ego clashes of the players by talking to them separately also, and mentoring them that why they need to cooperate for the purpose of getting the overall purpose, that is uh, think India and win India. So, and power dynamism create conflicts and negative energy in the beginning. And you will see that in the organizations also, and wherein small groups do form, and they create problem, particularly for the leader at times. So the role of leader was to exploit those kind of small groups and make them unite, which was done by the time when they were about to say goodbye to Kabir Khan at MACD. That was also the that was the situation where the team was actually formed. So, dear students, when it comes to effective strategic leadership, we talk about the direction which is to be given by the leader, exploiting and maintaining core competencies. आपकी जो core competencies है, which cannot be imitated by anyone, जिसको कोई copy नहीं कर सकता. For example, Microsoft. Everyone is using Microsoft because whatever technological developments Microsoft has done, no other company can copy that, imitate that. Within you also, you have got certain skills which cannot be copied by someone else. And you know these core competencies, whatever you are good at what place you will be playing better, all these things were noticed and very well understood by the coach Kabir Khan, and accordingly he plays the team the way a player can play best at different positions. Dear students, developing human capital, that is training, is a part of corporate life these days. Sustaining an effective organizational culture and emphasizing ethical practices and having a balanced organizational control. But unfortunately, in this movie, during the first half, we have been noticing that it was not balanced organizational control, and that was the reason that when stretch team to too much, they start opposing. And whether you oppose or support, but the people get united. अगर आप किसी को oppose भी करोगे, then also you need team. And that was the situation. We know when all of them were opposing the leader, the team was actually formed. They actually realized that now we are united, और अब हम एक साथ मिलके जब तक काम नहीं करेंगे, हम we cannot win this hockey match. So, dear students, there were certain key elements in strategic decisions, that is sustainable decisions that can be maintained over time. And this gentleman also developed certain processes to deliver the strategy, that is how to play. For example, one more player, Bindia, and one more Miss Kaur, who was very aggressive. So he used his her aggressiveness over the team of probably Argentina, I suppose, where she was able to address those kind of issues to that team. And when nothing was, when this gentleman Kabir Khan was opposed by many people that ye team will not be able to, society pressures were different. Women's को लेके, girls को लेकर के, there are different thought processes uh, at different places, particularly in the suburban and rural areas. So wherein Kabir Khan again had a strategy that okay, let us have the a match of men versus women, and in which they played very well. Everybody was knowing that competing with the men's team was not that easy, but still They gave a very tough task to those men hockey, and herein the trust was developed of association that now yes we do believe that these girls can do miracles, and they were permitted to play on international levels. So dear student, exploit linkages between organization and environment. And as I said, that not Argentina, Korea team break by Bindia, and Argentina with core aggressiveness. So these were the two strategies which were used by coach Kabir Khan to make them to take these two players forward, so that these players could slowly and gradually take the match in their favor. A vision, the ability to move the organization forward in a significant way beyond the current environment. And dear students, there are different approaches in the leadership we talk about. One is pupils approach, pupil-oriented approach, wherein you encourage fast work pace, emphasize good quality and high accuracy, which comes to us from Japanese. आप सबने सुना होगा Japanese are very prone to technology. JIT हमारा वहीं से आया है, Kaizen वहीं से आया है, and the people believe in the person with whom they are dealing, not the product the way we do in India over here. So quality at every process is very very important. Just in time जो word हम सुनते हैं, and works towards high quality production, demonstrate concern for rules and regulations. On the other side, dear students, we have one more leadership Munna Bhai way. This is also a leadership which I would like my students to adopt wherever required, बिकॉज लाइफ के मंत्रास जो हैं एंगरनेस से या एटीट्यूड से सॉल्व नहीं होते, बट समटाइम्स एट टाइम्स वी हैव टू adopt soberness in our nature. We need to be very tactful, we need to be very friendly, we need to follow the approach of Gandhigiri to survive, because everyone has his or her own ego, and we have to uh, work by making our by converting this ego into a zero factor. And I've seen many leaders in the organization who do mention in their CV that we will work over and above our own personal ego. जब भी हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए काम करेंगे, हमारी पर्सनल ईगो कभी बीच में नहीं आएगी. This is what the leaders are doing, and they practice it every day. Because the moment you come out of your ego, you are able to get success. और यही रीजन था. देखिए, let me again remind you of the Vedas. Ravan, who was a great knowledgeable person, but still because of ego, you all know the fortune of this man. Whereas we also talk about Lord Hanumanji in this epics of Ram, wherein whatever is being done, he always says that it is by virtue of you. आपके नाम से ही मैंने सब कुछ किया है. I have not done anything. So this was the way of leading life. So that's what I am trying to convey you, that dear students, you need to take care of your attitude, you need to take care of your ego factors, and accordingly you need to lead your life, because you have got a whole life before you to take your journey forward, and these small things do matter, and you need to understand that how these things are important to strategically take your life forward. And I would like to understand the crux of this, Gandhigiri or Munna Bhai from a few of the students who want to voluntarily speak. Yes, quickly. Jaldi se bata do. Fast. Come on, students. Yes. Anyone? Dear students, good morning. BBA first morning students, good morning. Himanshu, Ishan, Ishika, Gunjan, Gaurav, Vanshika, Khushi, Kshitij, Mohak Arora. Yes. Come on, fast. Radhika. First year students, so they don't respond. Tushar, Vedehi, Vanshika Garg.
Yes, sir.
Good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. So Vanshika is one whom I can hear. So Vanshika, what is your understanding or learning from this movie if you have seen this?
So I have not seen the movie.
Yes. Any other student who want to say something
Good morning,
quickly?
sir.
Yes. Who is this?
Sarthak Taneja.
Yes, Sarthak. So please share your concern, your
Sir, this
views.
movie is basically based on positive attitude at all negative times. We should
Great.
always
Very
deal. We should always deal people with positive attitude.
okay. What else? Great. Great. What else?
This movie
And
is
Sir,
also
sir,
related to change in attitude with time, as the Munna in this movie earlier have a character of a gangster. Means he used to scold everyone and do whatsoever he want, but afterwards, when Gandhiji came in his life, he had turned his way to manage others, to lead others, and to inspire others.
So I am speaking with whom? Who is this?
Sahil Joshi, sir.
Okay. So a big round of applause for Sarthak, Sahil, Khushi, and Vanshika. Very well, they have explained and have participated that how these things are important. The way Sahil has explained is also, I admire the way Sahil has explained that there was a change in his attitude. So, my dear students, we want you also to understand these small, small philosophies of life which will take your journey forward and which are, really important. These are some of the management movies. We do have shortage of time, so I cannot take you to too much clips, but definitely one clip I would like to put before you. Willingness to learn. This gentleman was willing to fully devote himself to learn all that was necessary. He used to help people over there. And now I'm putting a slide before you. Just a moment. Let me know if it is audible to you.
So it is not audible.
No, sir, I cannot hear it.
Okay, just one second. Okay, now you see.
अपन ये भी ट्राई करके देखता है
नहीं होगा तुमसे।
Yes, sir,
अरे
it is
क्यों भी
audible.
नहीं होगा बापू और डेयरिंग अपन में
आसान नहीं है, पर जीत पक्की है।
मिला मिलेगा ना
वचन देता हूँ,
वो जानवी अपन को छोड़ के नहीं जाएगी ना
उम्र भर गर्व से तुम्हारे साथ चलेगी।
तुमको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है तो बोलो क्या करने का है?
माफी मांगो।
माफी किससे? ये माफी मांगना जरूरी है क्या?
देखना चाहता हूँ तुम में कितनी हिम्मत है।
बोले तो
चाटा मारना आसान है, माफी मांगने के लिए हिम्मत चाहिए बेटा। ये कायरों का काम नहीं है। जाओ बेटा।
इधर क्या कर रहे ले?
कुछ नहीं भाई, वो आज सुबह से माँ का याद आ रहा था तो अपन यहाँ आके बैठ गया।
अपन तेरे को कुछ बोलने का है?
हाँ भाई बोलो ना।
ये मत सोच के अपन पियला है।
क्या हुआ भाई?
उधर टर्न हो जा, अपन की आंख में मत देख। अपन को तेरे को सॉरी बोलने का है। आखिरी रात सोया नहीं अपन। सब पुराना मेमोरीज वो भेजे में घूम रहा था। याद है जब अपन को बुलेट लगा था पेट में, नींद नहीं आता था फुल नाइट। अपन तेरे को बोला कि माँ का ये तूने साला अपन का सर लेकर गोद में डाला और लोरी सुनाया अपन को, और साला अपन ने हाथ उठा है तेरे पे। अपन भी येड़ा रात को 3 बजे तेरे को बोला कि अपन को चाइनीज खाने का है, और तू वो 5 स्टार में जाके वो चीनी को उठा के लेके आया। क्या हाका नूडल बनाया ना उसने, और अपन ने तेरे पे हाथ उठाया। माफ कर देना यार, ये सब बोलने का क्या जरूरत है भाई। सॉरी बोला ना। ए बापू, थैंक यू बापू, दिल हल्का हो गया अपन का। बोल अभी क्या करने का है?
लकी को प्यार से समझाना है।
ये काम तो मुश्किल है।
टेंशन नहीं लेने का, बापू है ना।
So dear students, this was the way of leading life and I would like you guys also to follow in your life. Then he used to help each other and as such was able to get the respect from the society, but was willing to give all his comforts for the sake of the cause, so that noble cause was within him. And at times this gentleman used to go beyond the call of the duty, beyond his call. Then perseverance and conviction, that is one should not give up. That's also the mantra we to know from this defined movie, Munna Bhai Way. That is, and I would like you guys also to be consistent and continuously working for your career goals in these next 3 years. Need not to give up whatsoever situation before you. Once you are consistent and you take the things in a positive spirit, definitely you will be able to come out of those kind of sentiments. And he is one more clear before you, and then we will say goodbye to each other in another 5-6 minutes. Okay.
नमस्ते। बापू बोला अगर दुश्मन बाई गाल पे मारेगा ना तो दाएं गाल आगे करने का। ये ले देख, नहीं मारा ना। भाई इसने तो चिपका दिया। दोनों गाल पे पहुंच गए, क्या करने का? ये बापू ने नहीं कहा अपन को।
ना, उन्हें वार करने दो, लेकिन तुम हाथ मत उठाना। ऐसा करने से दुश्मन के स्वभाव में परिवर्तन आता है, उसकी नफरत घटती है और हमारे लिए इज्जत बढ़ती है। हम पहल कर नहीं मारेंगे, ना ही आपकी राह तोड़ेंगे। चलो मुन्ना, माफी मांगो।
मोहब्बत से मकान लेंगे, चलो लोचा किया ना तो बम्बू देंगे। साला सॉरी बोल इसको। काय को भाई? देख, बापू ने अपन को बोला ऐसा करने से इनका नफरत, अपने लिए इज्जत बढ़ेगा। चल सॉरी बोल.
बापू ने धंधे की वाट लगाने वाले हैं. ये एवढं लगेगा तेरे को.
ये सॉरी बोल रहा ना, उठ ना. अबे उठता है कि दो.
So dear students, we would also like you guys also to be, uh, to have patience both in your life, and not to involve in any sort of such sort of activities. You need to talk to your coordinator in case any situation arises. So this is what we would like you to be, professional, to have a professional oriented approach over here to follow Gandhigiri in your life. And so these are some of the, life mantras which you can take up in your life. Right, very quickly now I would like to know from the students the learnings of the session in 2-3 minutes, all those who want to share quickly. Arman, Abhishek, Akshita, Aman, Anirudh, Ansh. No inputs. Aryaman Chopra, Chirag, Daksh. You can unmute yourself, please. Dr. Nancy, are you here? Yes, Pranav, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. One thing I've learned from the beginning when you were talking about the movie Chak De is that it's always necessary to go together in a team as you have each other's support, and it's very easy to succeed in life if you have a team. And I've learned that from sports as well, where I've played throughout my life. So that's one thing that I've learned for sure, is that you should always do things in life in a team if you want to go far.
Right, great, very good, Pranav. You can switch on your cameras. All those who want to say something, Sarthak, Vanshika, Kushi, Gaurav. Yes, who is this?
Sir, I have learned one thing, that we can learn many things from the movies as well.
Yes, who is this? Tanmay?
Sir, Tanmay Katyal.
Yes. Okay, what is the takeaway from this session today, Tanmay?
Sir, we can learn many things about management by watching the movies, and we can by this Munna Bhai movie we have learned that we should look at life in the positive way.
Right, very good. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
I have learned about two types of leadership, two styles of leadership. From
Yes.
Chak De, we learned that Kabir Khan inspires others through positive and sometimes negative reinforcement.
Yes.
And in Munna Bhai, Sanjay Dutt motivates people through his own actions and ideas.
Great,
by
Vishal,
doing
great.
things himself.
You are Vishal Mishra, right?
Yes, sir.
So Vishal, I would further like to add upon what you said, that sometimes negative motivations are also required, which you were talking about, that he reinforced the team.
Yes.
And he used some sort of statements. ये चकला बेलन चलाने वाली hockey क्या खेलेंगी, and that again recharged the girls, and they played very very well, and they said we will showcase you our performance. So at times very well. So very good takeaway from Vishal. Yes, next. Anyone else? Quickly.
So the clip
Good. I'm
which-
noting now your names.
The
Who is
clip which
this?
Sahil Joshi, sir.
Right,
Joshi,
right.
Sahil Joshi.
Okay.
The clip which you had shown earlier, it tells that sometimes what happens, we indulge into fights and which leads to misunderstandings. But the main thing is, all this will happen as it's a part of life. The main thing is, what we need to do is just say sorry. A word of sorry will definitely solve many problems and do a lot which the misunderstandings will create, and do the same.
Very good. Very good way of, putting up the things before Sahil Joshi, that one word of sorry can resolve many problems. एक बार sorry बोलो, problem khatam. Because, in life, we do not have that much time to stretch it up like anything. And that's the mantra of life. हमें किसी भी बात को इतना stretch करना ही नहीं है. We need to take care of that. We need not to take anything over our ego. अपना ego को zero रखना है. And just say sorry and finish up the matter. अगर नहीं हो तब भी बोल के खत्म करो. Yes, good, very good, Sahil. Yes, next.
Sir, I'm Khushi Malik.
Yes, Khushi Malik. Yes.
So I've learned that it is very important to manage people effectively and learn how to apply concepts and techniques. So basically, it helps in formulating and implementing the strategy of an organization.
Very good, very well said by Khushi. So dear students, देखिए अभी 1 hour के lecture में I could get to know many things about you, and I appreciate the takeaways and the thoughts shared by Pranav, Khushi Malik, Vishal Mishra, Sarthak, Sahil, Vanshika, Tanmay, Sahil Joshi. So dear students, with this note, I wish you all the best. My best wishes to you, and I suppose you are getting time to move to your next class. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks,
sir.
sir.